Unboxing idioms, the whole package. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, the whole package. Whether you're just starting to learn English or you're looking to polish your language skills, understanding idioms like this one can be incredibly helpful. So, let's unpack the meaning, usage, and nuances of the whole package together. At first glance, the whole package might make you think of a box filled with items. However, in the English language, this phrase takes on a more abstract meaning. It's used to describe a person, thing, or situation that possesses all the desired characteristics, qualities, or features. It's like saying someone or something has everything you could want, all wrapped up nicely. The phrase, the whole package, likely evolved from the concept of a complete or comprehensive deal, where everything you need comes together. It's commonly used in everyday conversations, particularly when talking about people in the context of relationships or employment. For example, if someone is smart, attractive, and kind, you might say they're the whole package. To fully grasp the meaning, let's see it in action. 1. In relationships, my partner is amazing, supportive, funny, and intelligent. Truly, the whole package. 2. In professional settings, our new team member is the whole package, skilled, experienced, and a great team player. 3. In product reviews, this smartphone is the whole package, excellent camera, long battery life, and user-friendly interface. While the whole package is a compliment, it's important to use it thoughtfully. Overemphasizing that someone has everything might imply that there's a universal standard for what's desirable, which isn't true. People are unique, and what's considered the whole package can vary greatly from one person or culture to another. Understanding idioms like the whole package can enrich your English language skills and help you express yourself more vividly. Remember, language is not just about words, but the ideas and cultural nuances they convey. We hope this video helps you wrap your head around this interesting phrase. Keep learning and exploring, and you'll soon find that your language skills are becoming the whole package.